Hello, welcome to the Family of 5 Quick Tips. My name's Joel, and this is the Dad Way playlist. I'm a dad, and this is my role. I take things apart and put things back together, and these videos are here to help you out. In this video, we'll be looking at unboxing the Chicco KeyFit car seat, so let's take a look. So that was the unboxing of the Chicco KeyFit car seat. I hope this video helped you out. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from the Family of 5 Quick Tips, click subscribe. And we do like to read comments, so you can leave one below. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. And that's a wrap.